How to create t-shirt designs on Canva to sell. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and log into your account. Then you'll find search bar. Simply search t-shirt. You'll find t-shirt design, t-shirt mockup, t-shirt logo. Simply search t-shirt. After that, you'll find all these options of t-shirt. From here, you'll find all t-shirt designs which are for free as well as which needs to be paid. As you can see, if you want it on your t-shirt, simply click on edit. Then in here, you can simply save it and print it on your t-shirt. And that's how to create t-shirt designs on Canva to sell. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. I am Sophia signing off. Until next time.